Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July 1st to July the 3rd, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. Kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayong kabilang channel that is Pabaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Libra, magsimula na po tayo, no? Your first card is peace. So, I feel like there's someone here wanted to reconnect with you, wanted to apologize, no, sa mga nagawa niyang kasalanan. But you are also somewhat probably napatawad mo na siya whether or not this person is humingi ng tawad or hindi. So for you, you already have forgiven your this person, no, for your own peace of mind. Yun naman kasi ang maganda doon, no? Kasi gumagawa tayo ng or pinapatawad natin ang isang tao kahit hindi siya nanghihingi ng sorry, no? Kasi pinoprotektahan natin yung energy natin. I think for a few numbers of you, okay na yun, no? Wala na tayong dapat pag-usapan, hindi na natin dapat palakihin. Yung iba naman, I think that yung ibang Libra dito, no, is loving the person from afar, no? So sabihin natin, meron na akong boundaries, meron na akong walls. Um, okay na, wag ka na lang lumapit, wag mo na lang gawin uli, no? So, yung sa'yo, um, kumbaga, you already set the limitation na hanggang dyan ka lang, no? Kasi, sabihin natin, dadala na ako, 'di ba? Wala akong hinanakit, pero I'm protecting myself for you not to hurt me again, no? With the Strength card and the King of Pentacles, I feel like this person has a lot of things to offer. Um, siguro babalik ito with a lot of promises in their bags, no? Sabihin natin na hindi na kita sasaktan uli, hindi na kita lolokohin, hindi na kita paiiyakin, no? With this Strength card in here, parang sa'yo, okay na, huwag na lang tayong mag-usap, no? This is a strong Libra energy na parang you really engaged, no? Ang importante sa akin ngayon is my own peace of mind. Pero sabi naman niya, no, hayaan mo kong bumawi, no? Bigyan mo ako ng chance na um, mag-bounce back, no? Bigyan mo ako ng chance na i-revive, no, itong sabihin nating mga nagawa ko sa'yo, yung hindi maganda, no? Bigyan mo ako ng chance para um, sabihin nating burahin, no? Yung iba sa inyo, I think na pagbibigyan naman, pero it may take a little while, no? Hindi naman agad-agad kasi with that Strength card in here, so parang iniisip mo pa rin yung sarili mo na kapag binigyan ko siya ng chance, am I giving this person another chance to hurt me back, no? Or to hurt me again? With the Four of Pentacles and the World card, nakita ko ang sobrang maturity, no, ni Libra dito. Matured kasi sabihin natin dati kapag humingi ng sorry si person, ura-urada, no? Oo agad. Ngayon, you're considering a lot of things. And those were the things that you are protecting yourself. Um, Pwedeng siguro masabi niya, nagbago ka na. Ay bakit hindi, no? Kasi everyone can evolve. People are expanding. people are really changing, di ba? I think that si Libra dito is very woke, no? Gising na gising siya sa dahil sa mga nangyari, di ba? Again, hindi galit si Libra. Natuto siya sa mga pagkakamali, no? Um, with hurting and agonizing pain. Wow. Ito lang kasi ang minsan hindi ko makuha, no? Kasi kapag sinaktan ka ng tao, tapos ikaw yung biktima, damang-dama yung pain. Tapos parang sa kanila, okay lang, no? Madadaan natin sa sorry yan. Pero pag hindi mo na pagbigyan yung sinasabi nating gusto nila, sila yung masasaktan. Well, in fact, sila yung unang nanakit, no? I think hindi naman sa paghihigante, hindi naman sa you're giving this person a dose of their own medicine. Probably, sige, you're giving the person a dose of your own medicine. Pero nandito ka sa part na, um, kung bibigyan kita ng chance uli, ako naman ito masasaktan. Wag na lang muna, no? I think I'm better off alone. 'Di ba? I am enjoying myself. I am enjoying my freedom. I am enjoying, no, yung nakakanood ako ng Netflix, no, nakakanood ako yung hindi ako naiistorbo. Um, what a an independent ang feeling, no, parang yung liberty. Parang kuhang-kuha nyo. You feel free, you feel bliss. It felt like mas magaang, no? As of the moment, hindi mo sinasabing ayoko sa'yo. Mahal nga kita eh, 'di ba? Mahal kita kaya napatawad kita. Pero kailangan kong mahalin yung sarili ko. Kaya ko nga 'to ginagawa, no? Para hindi na rin mabago yung perception ko hangga't meron pang konti na respeto, no? Um, na natitira, no? I think that this is the best way for now, no? Libra with the King of Swords and the Devil card, yun lang. Dahil ang nakikita ko dito, hindi hindi ka bibitawan ni person up until hindi niya nakukuha. Apart from kapatawaran, which is kasi naibigay mo na, di ba? Hindi lang kapatawaran ang gusto niya. Ang gusto niya, maibalik yung dating relasyon. Um, I think na medyo makulit itong taong ito, no? Matitrigger ka dito, either i-block na lang yung person or either sabihin natin wag na lang siyang pansinin. The worst case scenario is lumipat ako or magpalit ako ng number kasi nababother ako, no? Yun yung nakikita ko dito. With the Fool card and the Hierophant. So sabihin na natin, oo, nandun na yung apologies given nga eh. Kaya nga sabi ni Libra dito, whether or not humingi ka ng sorry na patawad na, no? Pero kasi ang gusto niya talaga, ipipilit niya yung last chance, no? How many chances are you going to give this person? Pero with all fairness naman, to the person, the higher fund is here. Sincere naman yung apology. Pero, di ba dapat kapag humihingi ng apology, sincere naman talaga dapat. And you have given the forgiveness sincerely naman as well, di ba? With the Seven of Pentacles, okay. And the Tower. So, it felt like itong taong to is willing to wait. No? So, parang sige, kung yaan ang iyong desisyon, no? At hindi mo pa ako kayang patawarin, okay lang. No? Aantayin pa rin kita. With the Ace of Wands and the Star. So, ang nakikita ko dito, apart from willing kang antayin, willing din naman siyang um, parang ibalik, ibigay itong mga nakuha niya sa'yo. Kung meron siya nakuha sa'yo in material, form, willing naman siyang ibalik at meron pang dagdag, no? Um, kung energetic naman yung nakuha niya sa'yo, katulad ng peace of mind, I think na unti-unti mo namang nabubuo ang sarili mo. So, ang nakikita ko dito is take your time. Take your sweet time. Kasi nandito ka sa part na binubuo mo yung sarili mo dahil sa um, mas kinikilala mo, no, ang sarili mo, mas nakikilala mo ang sarili mo. Um, I think in time, magiging okay uli, no? Okay in a way, it could be romantically or it could be civil, no? Pero things are going to be better dahil feeling ko nasa tamang decision making, nasa tamang daan, no? Ang iyong pag-iisip, napaka-refreshed, no? So, this is your reading, Libra. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aquarius, Leo. I am seeing Taurus, Virgo, Aries, Capricorn is here. Sagittarius. Yeah, Leo is dominant. Yan. So, yun ang iyong reading. So, tingnan natin dito ang pwedeng nasa sa loob din, no, ni person. Actually, there is a jumper. I wish you were mine. So, ganun siya ka-eager. Gigil na gigil siya na magkaroon kayo ng reconciliation. Feeling ko hindi ka naman bibitawan ni person ng ganun lang. Yung ganito sila ka gutom, no, na mapasayo, mapasa kanila ka uli, no? So, this is your message from your spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, universe, whatever you want to call it. Instead of pushing yourself so hard, stop, breathe, and reevaluate. You are doing enough, even if it doesn't feel like it. Don't wear yourself out to the point of exhaustion. It's not worth it. Balance your time more wisely. So I think Libra, no, nandito ka talaga. I think bago lumabas itong message, na-pick up mo na siya. That is what you're doing. You're taking your sweet time to a point na I don't chase, no? I attract. Again, katulad ng sabi ko, you're very woke and nasa tamang landas tayo ngayon. Nasa right path tayo. And I think that you are being guided prior the reading na gawa mo na. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye, Libra.